Metal brackets. Types, metals, and benefits. In this video, we take an in-depth look at metal brackets. You will learn, what is a metal bracket? How metal brackets are made. Metals used to make metal brackets. Types of metal brackets. The benefits of metal brackets. And much more. Chapter 1. Understanding metal brackets. Chapter 2. How metal brackets are manufactured. Casting. CNC, computer numerical control, machining. Stamping. Extrusion. Laser cutting. Quality assurance and finishing steps in metal bracket manufacturing. Chapter 3. What are some leading machines used for manufacturing metal brackets? Amada EMK 3610 NT Punch Press. Manufacturer, Amada America Inc. Trumpf TrueBend 5130. Manufacturer, Trumpf Group. Bystronic Bystar Fiber Laser Cutter. Manufacturer, Bystronic Inc. Haas VF 2SS Vertical Machining Center. Manufacturer, Haas Automation Incorporated. Mazak Integrex I-200S Multitasking Machine. Manufacturer, Yamazaki Mazak Corporation. Frequently asked questions. What are metal brackets used for? Which metals are commonly chosen for bracket manufacturing? What are the main methods for manufacturing metal brackets? How is quality assured in metal bracket production? Which advanced machines are commonly used for metal bracket manufacturing in North America? Chapter 4. What are the components of metal brackets? Baseplate. Support arm. Mounting holes. Fasteners. Bracing. Gussets. Flanges. Cross bracing. Welding. Adjustment mechanisms. Coatings. Common coatings include adjustable feet. Chapter 5. What materials are used in metal brackets? Steel. Stainless steel. Aluminum alloys. Brass. Copper. Bronze. Titanium. Chapter 6. What are the different types of metal brackets? Angle brackets. Corner brackets. Flat brackets. T brackets. U brackets. Z brackets. Pipe brackets. L brackets. Joist hangers. Suspension hooks. Post metal brackets. Chapter 7. What factors should be considered when selecting metal bracket hardware? Load capacity. Environmental concerns. Size and shape. Installation requirements. Cost. Compatibility. Durability. Maintenance. Decorative aesthetic. Chapter 8. What laws and agencies regulate metal bracket hardware? ISO 9001. OSHA, Occupational Safety and Health Administration. FDA, Food and Drug Administration. California Proposition 65. New York State Department of Environmental Conservation. Massachusetts Toxics Use Reduction Act. Washington State Department of Ecology. RoHS, Restriction of Hazardous Substances. REACH, Registration, Evaluation, Authorization, and Restriction of Chemicals. European Economic Area. ASTM, International. Chapter 9. What are the benefits of using metal bracket hardware? Durability. Versatility. Cost-effectiveness. Corrosion resistance. High temperature resistance. Aesthetics. Customizability. Chapter 10. What are the applications of metal brackets? Automotive. Aerospace. Construction. Manufacturing. Electrical and electronics. Medical. Marine. Sports equipment. Furniture. Art and sculpture. Signs and display. Musical instruments. Transportation. Chapter 11. What are the disadvantages of metal brackets? Corrosion. Cost. Weight. Environmental impact. Compatibility. Chapter 12. What is the future of metal bracket hardware? Lightweight and stronger materials. Customization and personalization. Integration with IoT. Nanotechnology. Biocompatible materials. Sustainability and recycling. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right metal bracket manufacturers for your needs.